How to rate your driver in Bolt. Just finished your ride? Here's how to rate your driver and help keep the Bolt community awesome. Once your trip ends, the app will automatically show a rating screen. You'll see your driver's name and a 5-star scale. Simply tap the number of stars you want to give. If you missed it, no worries. Go to Ride History, tap the completed ride, and you can rate them there too. If your experience was great, leave a 5-star and quick thank you. If not, describe what went wrong so Bolt can take action. Honest feedback helps improve everyone's experience. Always rate after your trip. It builds trust and ensures better rides for everyone. Do you usually leave ratings after every ride? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can rate your driver in Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.